Sure, here's a recipe for Gujarati-style dal with rice. Ingredients. For dal: 1 cup toor dal, pigeon peas, lentil, 2 cups water, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 1 to 2 green chilies, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon jaggery, optional, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, chopped. For rice: 1 cup basmati rice, 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon oil, salt to taste. Instructions. 1. Wash the toor dal and soak it in cold water for 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the water and keep aside. 2. In a pressure cooker, add the soaked toor dal, 2 cups of water, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles or until the dal is cooked. 3. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker and mash the dal well using a whisk or a hand blender. Keep it aside. 4. Heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and asafoetida. Let them sputter. 5. Add finely chopped green chilies, grated ginger and sauté for a few seconds. 6. Add the cooked dal to the pan and mix well. 7. Add jaggery and salt to taste. Mix well and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. In a separate pan, wash the rice and add 2 cups of water, oil, and salt. Mix well and cook on medium heat until the rice is cooked. Serve the hot dal with rice and garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Your Gujarati-style dal with rice is ready to be served. Enjoy.